Okay, this is N2LEN with another quick video clip. Here is the FT-100, and we're going to bring it inside, and we're going to perform the Mars cap mod to it. It's from what I've seen online, it's only done, the modification is only done to the front panel. So we're going to slide the panel off, bring it into the workbench. We'll be back. N2LEN here again with the Mars modification to the FT-100. There are two screws that hold, two Phillips head screws that hold the back of the front panel on. They're right on the bottom. The holes are right here, 1 and 2. I used a small 0+ screwdriver. When you pull the back panel off, there is a ribbon cable that's folded and it attaches to the back. You could just lift it off and just gently put it down. And the area that we're going to be working on is right here. Right there. It's resistor chips 1 and 2, which is resistor 6035. That one is already removed, and 6036. So we're going to be taking off 1 and 2. Let me get in there a little bit closer. You could see that 1 is removed right there, and we're going to remove the second one, which is this one right here. 1 is already removed. This is N2LEN, and we'll be back. This is N2LEN with another quick video clip. Let me show you my solder gun, my soldering tip that I use, which is right here, and you could see how small it is compared. And I left the resistor chip, I just desoldered it. It's actually hanging on there. See if I can get in there so you could really see it. And I'm just going to actually pick it up and move it away with a needle nose plier. So let me get it in with my finger. And as you could see, it's right there. Okay, we'll be back. This is N2LEN with another quick video clip. As you could see, resistor 6035, which was already removed, and then we went ahead and removed the second resistor chip, which was 6036, and I'll show it to you. I actually have it right on the piece of Scotch tape. It's upside down. We'll probably tape it in the radio somewhere, but that's already done. I'm going to go clean it with some IPA, and we're going to close the radio back up and go through the second part of the procedure, which is programming the radio. Let me show you what it looks like after you clean using IPA. You can clearly see that the area is now completely cleaned. It's amazing how well the alcohol works on removing any type of rosin or anything. And that's basically it. We're going to close the radio up. You can clearly see. Let me show you the whole panel so you could see the location. Once again, it's in when you have the control panel facing backwards. I didn't need to disconnect this ribbon cable. I just lifted the cover off gently. You could see the area right here once again. Okay. This is N2LEN. This is N2LEN with a final follow-up on the Mars cap for the FT-100. After you remove the single resistor chip, which was on my radio, it was chip number 2, which we showed you in the video earlier. We then followed this website, which is k0le.com/FT100/FTFreeband.htm, and we followed the instructions. One thing that I will tell you is when you reinitialize the radio, where it says here press DPS, that's DSP, and the lock keys. So you reinitialize the radio, it'll say initializing, it'll go through some bars until it initializes. It takes about 5 or 6 seconds, and then you just literally follow the entire process. And each time you're complete, when you put these, it takes you a while to go from UHF to get down to this frequency. And then after you get to it, you need to put it on upper and lower sideband so you can get the last 2 digits. And then you just want to switch back the mode to FM once you're on that exact frequency, and then you just power the radio off. You follow the same procedure when you press the down and step keys while you power it up. You're going to see it says HF on. You clearly see it. It's big letters. And then you do the VHF UHF expanding by going up to 549, 611, 63. Once again, you're going to need upper and lower sideband to get to the 6.3 at the end. Press the mode switch back to FM, press the power off, go through the cycle again, the down and step, turn it on with the power. You're going to see it's going to say, I think it said VU on, just like it says there, for a half a second, and then it disappears and you just shut the radio off. Right now, we just completed it. We saw all the processes. We moved to 11 meters. We're on 27.385 upper sideband, and normally when we keyed up, it said locked out in the corner, and now when we key up, test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. As you can see, it's transmitting. So that's basically it. This is N2LEN saying best 7 3s on the FT-100 Morristown.